guys, welcome back to the vlog. Well, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Rochelle. This is Xavier, and Zaya is in the back.
As always,
we are out on the road.
Actually going to Vice Farm, one of our favorite spots that we like to hang out from time to time. But
we haven't been there in a while.
Yeah, since Zaya. We normally go there before Zaya was born, but this is our first time going. So that means we haven't been there in almost maybe more than a year.
More than a year, because we stopped going there before I had Zaya.
Yeah.
So more than a year. So we're heading there right now to get some coconut water and look at the place since we haven't been there in a while.
Maybe get some of the stuff that they have on sale.
Yeah,
what they
I
have.
think the only thing is the Callaloo.
Callaloo?
Yeah. So I think probably Callaloo. That's it.
Let's see what else.
Okay.
Something else?
I mean, different. Every time you go, they have something different, you know. Sometimes they have Neesberry, all type of other stuff. So.
Yeah, well, depending on what they have at the farmer's market, then we can decide what we're going to get. But I know I want some Callaloo for sure, and the coconut water. So stay tuned for the vlog, guys. But as usual, you know that we are going to go to BJ's and Aldi and run a little grocery run and the dollar store as well. So that's what's coming up in this video. Guys, walking into the entrance, you can see that there's a lot of cars. It's early and the place is already packed. So that mango tree was loaded with mangoes, but there was cars parked on both sides. Over there is some Callaloo that they have in pots. Well, this entire farm, the stuff are planted in pots. This is the farmers market section. They also have plants that you can purchase. Those are scallion, well, a lot of ground provision and stuff that we need. The line was so long. Here I am eating the jelly meat. It's a lot of jellies. Well, I drank one and we bought a jug. I think the bottle was half of a gallon, and they gave me the meat so I can eat it. This is where the restaurant is, and as you can see, there's a lot of people there. Straight ahead, that van with the blue tent, they're selling natural juice. And right here is where you get your coconut water, your cane juice, and the cane. And they also have a little bar here and a seating area there as well. Those pots are green onions. I didn't know that green onions bloom a flower. Xavier showed me the green onions, or we like to call them scallion. They have flower on them. I didn't know that. You learn something new every day.
I think that's where the seed come from.
That's where the seed come from?
That's what I think.
That's the guy with the natural juice. Guys, we just left Vibes Farm. The place was packed because it seemed like it went viral on the internet. Yeah. So now it is packed and the music started playing earlier than normal. So I'm gonna have to do a voiceover of what I videoed, because I didn't video a lot of stuff because the line was long. So at the farmers market part, the line was long at the farmers market part and also at the restaurant part. So I didn't get
the restaurant was packed.
The restaurant was packed. Like, people were buying food and
some people just buy food and left.
Because they were sitting over where they had the coconuts.
Yeah, there's not enough seat.
Because there's not enough seat by the dining area. But I love Vibes. I love Vibes Farm. It's a little Jamaican vibe. I like it. I love it. I used to come here like every Saturday when I was pregnant because I used to love the salt mackerel.
Yeah.
So it was one of the only things that I could tolerate. So I used to be here like every Saturday. So now we're heading to BJ's. We're gonna get some gas and then get some diapers and formula for Zaya.
And water.
And some water. But guess what? The formula. Maybe it's not at Boynton Beach Club. And we probably have to go to Royal Palm Club. Remember?
Well, let's see.
Let's see. Hopefully it's at the Boynton Beach Club. Babe, the man fishing.
You always be fishing. I get anything.
More than one of them. Yeah, so that's what we're doing now. Heading to the BJ's. So I will speak to you guys when I get there. Let's find some parking.
Parking. Alright, let's have a look.
The two here.
I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should
Guys, we just reached at BJ's. Well, we were at BJ's Gas first. And now we're in the club. We're gonna get some stuff. Xavier is obsessed with that chair, the one that swivel, that round one. Guys, like always, BJ's don't have the formula, but they have the toddler formula. Next month I will be in a toddler formula. So we're just going to get some diapers. Huh?
Welcome to BJ's. Please scan your membership card or touch need assistance.
I know you like me. Oh.
Card scan. Please rescan your membership card. Please remove the unscanned. Please remove the unscanned item. Remember to always scan your item before placing it in the tray area. Payment must be in the form of cash, credit, or debit. Please begin scanning. $4.99. Did you scan the items under your card? Scan coupon now. $27.99.
It's on top.
$3.99. $3.99. $3.99. $3.99. Did you scan the items under your cart? Scan coupon now. Insert coupon into slot near the blinking light. Touch the continue button if finished. Your total is $48.94. Please select your payment method. Please wait. System processing. Follow the instructions on the PIN pad. Please remember to take your receipt. Thank you for shopping at BJ's. Please remove all scanned items. Welcome to BJ's. Please scan your membership card or touch need assistance. Please remember to take your receipt. Thank you for shopping.
Nothing.
Welcome to BJ's.
You're
Please
being
scan
careful.
your membership card or touch need assistance.
I've heard it all. Our conversations
take your slippers off again?
Like I should've listened when they said that you
Keep on taking your slippers off.
would treat me like he did.
Hi guys, so we are now leaving BJ's, and as usual it's not at the Boynton Beach Club, so we have to head to Royal Palm now to get the formula. Well, we only have 1 week on this formula anyway. Sure? We only have 1 week on this formula, not this, the other week. So next week is it.
You sure about that 1 week?
I'm positive
what
that
is,
we only have one. I'm not sure what I'm gonna give her yet.
Okay.
I'm not sure what I'm gonna give her yet, but I know after the ending of this month there won't be.
Give her a caramel porridge.
We need to get some caramel.
It's been a while since I eat some caramel porridge too.
I think we should go to Presidente and get some.
No, we have to go to Presidente and get the meat.
Oh yeah, we're going to Presidente today. I completely forgot that I was saying that the other night. But anyway guys, we're heading to Royal Palm now to get the formula for Zaya, and then we're gonna come back.
We're gonna go to Presidente and then Aldi.
And then Aldi. So guys, I'll see you in a few. Ouch. Let's see. I just got some apple and blackberry. I need to get some raspberry.
Hello.
Let's get some raspberry. I'm not sure if I need any grapes this week. To get some scallion. What else? I need to get some thyme. And some carrots. What else?
Like I should've listened when they said that you.
You know the gentleman? You telling him hi?
She actually wasn't saying hello to me. She looked that way. She said hello to somebody else.
You okay? You okay? Nasty mouth. Your mouth so nasty. Huh? Why are you so nosy, girl? Huh? Why are you so nosy? You get people watching, huh? Yeah? You people watching? What is Dada doing?
Conversation.
I know, right?
Enjoy that gorgeous kid.
Thank you, sir. Huh? I'm not going. I'm gonna stay right here for a little bit. Why are you telling me up? No, I'm not getting up. I'm staying right here for a little bit. Okay? We are waiting on mommy. You don't want to wait on mommy? You want us to go home and leave mommy? Okay, Dada is gonna go home and leave mommy, okay? What do you think about that? Hmm? What do you think about that? Okay. So you want to stay and wait on mommy? Okay, we're gonna do that, okay? Alright, mommy is finished. So we're gonna go now, okay? Alright, let's rock and roll. Yeah, we're ready. Okay, now we're gonna go, okay?
Guys, we're at the Caribbean store. I'm get some meat, some cornmeal, zai zai, beetroot. Guys, let's see. Fruit cake. Bun. It's Easter time. I need a banana chip. $3.29 for a banana chips. I need a banana chips. Alright, so this is the Jamaican section. That I look liver. That I want liver. So yeah, stop for some. Hi guys, welcome back to the video. We just got home. Xavier is taking the stuff out the car and Zaya is sleeping, so this is why I'm whispering because I don't want to wake her up. She's right beside me sleeping. She fall asleep, so I'm not able to help Xavier take out the stuff out of the car. He's taking them out all by himself. I'm going to pack the stuff out, put them in the fridge. The fridge, I need to wipe the fridge out a bit, so I'm gonna do that and then put the stuff in the fridge. Guys, welcome back to the video. Today is Sunday. I just finished cooking dinner and now I am making some juice for the week. This is some watermelon and I'm gonna put some celery in it, and this is carrot and beetroot.
Look at that, mommy making juice.
So this is what I am making.
You cannot open this?
No, I couldn't.
Really? Look at that. That is strong. You see that?
I'm just a girl.
You see that? That is strong. You see that guy? Oh, why that is strong. All of them juice. So mommy have been up in Jamaican. Soon as they blend some juice up. Oh, this going in my back. This going in my
This is not no back juice. This is just regular juice. Just regular juice. Regular degular.
Oh, we got more seeds?
Yeah, those are peppers.
Okay. I'm planting them just like
I don't know what kind of beet is this, but usually it's not this easy to cut.
Maybe the knife is just sharp.
I don't think so.
Really? You're underestimating the knife? What are you trying to say? That the beets are fake?
No, I didn't say fake, just different.
Just different.
Right.
Different.
Come on, it's red.
Oh, that means they're good. Are you gonna put ginger in there too?
Yeah.
Why these gingers are so fat, man?
Because those are fake gingers.
Really?
Those are fake.
Yeah, the gingers are fat.
They're fake, Zaya.
And they're not potent either.
Because they're fakes.
I put like 2 of them in there and I can barely taste the ginger.
They're fakes, man.
Huh? Yeah, I could barely taste it. Thought it would have been potent, Zaya. But it's not. See the phone? See the phone over there? See that thing? I had to put it up there so you can't get it. Can't touch it. No. Wanna go inside? Hmm?
It's time for dinner.
Wanna tell her you want to go inside?
It's dinner time for the baby. It's time for the baby to eat.
But these are all garbage. Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So I've just finished the juicing. This is the beetroot and carrot with ginger, and this is watermelon, celery, and ginger. I've got some extra bottles, and this is for the fridge. And these are what Xavier take to work for his lunch, with his lunch. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
You're probably thinking I ain't worth it, but I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all.